Hey, how y'all doing? This is Gray from Tesh.com. Law is not black and white, it's gray. Today we're going to talk about should you hire a new lawyer? Say you have a personal injury lawyer, you're not happy for whatever reason. Should you hire a new one? What are the pros and the cons and that sort of thing? So, if the lawyer already has the check from the insurance company, you probably want to stick with that lawyer. Why? You're not going to make any money on the deal. You might have even a problem getting the medical bills paid off, that sort of thing, because you got to pay both lawyers. So when the lawyer already gets the check, he's getting a percentage of whatever he got there. So if it was not in suit, generally, it's going to be a third. If it was in a lawsuit, they've already answered 40%, plus he gets his cost back. So stick with them if they already got the check, right? If they did not already get the check, then you may want to switch lawyers. So let's talk about the pros and cons there. The pros are you get somebody that you trust, because many times, I get calls from people. It's a trust issue. I don't trust my lawyer because of X, whatever that may be. So you get to choose somebody that you trust. So that's one benefit there. Also, maybe that new lawyer is somebody who's going to fight for you, someone that may get you some more money, right? So those are potential pros there. So what are the cons? Number one, quantum merit. What the heck are you talking about, Gray? Are you talking Greek to me? No, that's fancy lawyer talk for the old lawyer gets paid hourly for whatever he did, right? So if the lawyer spent, 30 hours on the case times however many, he wants $3.50 an hour or whatever the judge will award, you got to pay for that, right? So quantum merit, you got to pay the old lawyer hourly for what he did and whatever the costs are. Plus, you have to pay the new lawyer, it's going to be a percentage, right? Everybody charges the same that I know. Third if you don't sue, 40% if you sue. I pay the costs, I get paid back for the costs, right? So you end up paying two different lawyers. So if the first lawyer has worked for 2 years and it's been in a lawsuit and there's depositions and there's trial preparation and all that, that's going to be a big bill. Doesn't mean you can't talk to a new lawyer and see if it would still make sense. And I've told plenty of people, it makes sense to stick with your current lawyer. Do not hire me, you're not going to make any money. Or if maybe they haven't worked so much on it and the quantum merit is kind of small. Well, maybe it does make sense. And I think the case value might be this, I could be wrong, but I think this is what it would be and I think you would still come out ahead. So those are kind of the pros and the cons there. Every case is different. You should talk to some different lawyers, get a consultation to see if it makes sense to switch. But usually trust is the ultimate issue. I don't trust my lawyer for whatever reason. So deserve to have somebody that you trust. Till next time, this is Gray from GrayTesh.com. Remember, law is not black or white, it's gray.